So I got my ingredients: ground cinnamon, vanilla, bread, and 2 eggs, as well as some sliced butter for the French toast. So first I'm going to heat up my pan on about a little lower than medium. And then whisk the eggs real quick. Alright. Then I'm gonna add a little bit vanilla extract. Just get a little more sweetness. And some cinnamon. Mix that together. Okay, now you can dip the first slice of bread and make sure both sides are completed. Now that's ready, I'm going to put a piece of butter in the pan once it's ready and hot. And put the bread right in. Make sure your butter's all around it so it doesn't stick to the pan. If you need more butter, alright, now there's enough butter, so we can just check on it every now and then. Wait a few minutes, or less, so it's golden brown. Check on it again. Not quite. And check on it again. Still not there. So add a little bit of butter. And then you just wait for the other side to be golden brown and flip that. And it's done.
Yay!
Voila! Got French toast.